Hi everyone. So in this video, you'll learn how to check if a certain key exists in a JSON object in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to our style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one button. Let's make it check. We need one h1 element. Let's make it result. Save it. Go to style sheet, select body element, text align will be center, select div element, display will be inline block, select button element, display will be inline block, padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Save it. Open this file in the browser, and this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will create one JSON object in the JavaScript file, and the click of the check button, I want to verify if it contains a certain key or not. If it contains, I want to show true here. If it does not contain, I want to show false here. So let's go to JavaScript file, select the button. Let's make it btn check. Select the h1 element, let's make it result. We need one JSON object, so let's make it JSON data, or let's make it JSON obj. Okay, so it will go like this. Need a name, so let's make it Peter. We need age, let's make it 30. So this is a JSON object. Now let's add event listener to the button. Event will be click. This is the handler function. Now first of all, we'll convert this JSON object into a JavaScript object. Then we'll make use of hasOwn property to verify if it contains certain key or not. So let's make it obj, and here we'll make use of JSON pass method to form a JavaScript object. So it will be result.inner text, and here we'll make use of hasOwn property method. I want to verify if it contains age property. If it contains, I want to set the text true, otherwise false. Save it, go to browser, click, we are getting true here. Now let's change it to some random string, for example xyz. Save it, we are getting false. Let's make it name. Save it, we are getting true. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.